Welcome back. Today, we're comparing the two operating systems every sysadmin needs to know: Windows Server and Linux. Windows Server is what you'll find in most enterprise environments. It runs Active Directory, which is how organizations manage users, computers, and permissions centrally. When you log into your work computer with a username and password, that's Active Directory authenticating you. Windows Server also handles file sharing, print services, DNS, and DHCP, the infrastructure services that keep a business running. Linux is everywhere, on web servers, in the cloud, on firewalls, and in containers. Most of the internet runs on Linux. As a sysadmin, you'll use Linux for servers, automation scripts, and cloud infrastructure. The command line is where Linux shines. Basic commands you need to know: ls to list files, cd to change directories, grep to search inside files, hmod to change permissions, and sudo to run commands as an administrator. Windows has PowerShell, which is equally powerful: get, process, get service, set execution policy. Here's the truth: you don't choose between Windows and Linux. You learn both. Most enterprise environments run Windows for desktop management and Linux for servers and cloud. A sysadmin who can move between both is valuable precisely because most people can't. In the next lesson, we'll cover networking fundamentals, TCP/IP, subnetting, and troubleshooting. That's the layer that connects everything.